Welcome back, back again. Yes, I'm back. Hello, friends. How y'all doing? Fine, I hope. And I told y'all it was what? 21 days of Valentine's Slay and what wigs I will wear. So, y'all seen her before. Y'all seen her curly. Now I'm going to straighten her. I like her curly, but I want to know if I'm going to like her straight. And this is the third wig. Oh, and I'm gonna also throw in the fourth one because you just never know what could happen, right? So this is a human hair wig. I did a review and unboxing video on this wig. I told y'all where I ordered it from. Go back some videos, watch it. If you want to know, it is on sale. It's cheaper, and yes, she's Amazon wig. What? Do y'all see that? Yeah, that's what I want. I don't know, but for some strange reason, I'm into straight hair now. I don't know, but I want my hair straight all the time. Now, I like it like this. Don't get me wrong. She's eating y'all up. Not too much, but just enough. Right? So, this is a wig that I would wear for Valentine's Day. It's a skunk stripe with the blonde highlights. If you didn't know, this is why I'm combing it out. So you can see. Yes, it is a skunk stripe. And this is what she looked like. I did not hot comb her down because, again, I'm about to show y'all another wig. But this is a wig that I would wear for day 3. Now, this is not really a wig I'm like, I would wear it if it's like last minute, quick, out to dinner type shit. A wig for the kids. It's even for dinner. So we're going to throw her on real quick and go. Cause, ooh. So this was wig number 4. And I don't want to make these videos too long. So I'm going to show you wig. That was number 3. This is wig number 4. Ooh, she is a peekaboo bob. She's synthetic. And I think she's really pretty. I think she's cute. And depending on the outfit, you could dress her up, you could dress her down. She's definitely giving you Valentine's Day night office by day. So let's throw her on. So y'all can see what I mean. Y'all ain't new to this. We true to this. So y'all know I'm a side part girl. And I will forever, ever be a side part girl. Right? Right. So let's just comb it. See? Just a little bit of the peekaboo. I like that. You can dress her up. You can even dress her down. But she is giving what needs to be gave. And for my middle part girlies, I'm gonna do it for you. Just for you. Okay. I pulled my earring out, y'all. But okay. That's proof that she's synthetic. So This is wig number 4. So let me know, which one would you slay, yay or nay? She's synthetic. She's also another Amazon find. And if you don't know, I buy and review all my wigs from Amazon. So stay tuned for the rest of it. And I see you in the next one, loves.